Here our topic is client-server computing in computing and programming fundamentals. So let's see first definitions. Server software accepts a request for data from client's software and returns the result to the client itself. So this is the architecture of a client-server computing. Client will request through the network to the server, and for that server will respond to the client based on the request. So where operations are done in a client server relationship, most of the application processing is done on a computer, which obtains application service from another computer in a master slave configuration. Let's see about the goals of the client server. It allows every network workstation and host to be accessible as needed by an application and to allow all existing software and hardware components to work together. When these two conditions are met, the benefits of a client-server computing can be realized, like cost saving, increased productivity, flexibility, and resource utilization. The functions of a client side. So what are the responsibility usually have to? It handles the user interface and translates the user's request into a desired protocol and sends a request to a server. For that, it waits for the server's response. Later, it translates the response to a human readable result, finally presents the result to the user. And functions for server side, it listen for a client's query and process that query and later returns a result back to the client. So what are the advantages of a client server computing? It is a centralization. Obviously, it access and resource and data security are controlled through the server. And scalability, upgraded whenever we need it. So flexibility, new technology can be easily integrated to the system. Interoperability, so all components work together. And accessibility, obviously it accessed remotely and across multiple platforms also. Easy of application development and also low total cost and user friendly too. What are the disadvantages of client server computing? Dependability, obviously, and lack of mature tool, lack of scalability, higher than anticipated cost, can cause network congestions also. What are the examples of a client server computing? So web servers are the clients and web browsers are the clients and web server, database server and mail servers are the server sides. Online gaming is a client server too. Most transactions that occur on the internet that is based on the client server. Example like a FTP, www and email are some of the examples. Thank you.